Hey, it's Mike. I'd like to talk about Voxeljet. The stock trades on the NASDAQ on symbol VJET. The stock was down a little over 5%, down to 34.06. However, the stock did move back up pretty big, up to 36.75, up almost 8%. Look at the 1 month chart of Voxeljet. The stock did have a pretty big pop. So it kind of makes sense that the stock would move back, though it is kind of surprising that it's starting to move back up this quickly because usually when your stock moves this big, I would like to see the stock move back down to like the $30 share mark before it moves back higher. However, the stock is kind of close to its 52-week high, $40 a share. So we may see it go, make another run up at its 52-week high, especially since the market's been pretty strong over the past week and the past month. And I do think the stock is going to pretty much pop higher as the stimulus is passed and as the pandemic is over. So Voxeljet is a 3D printing company that's involved in the manufacturing of big industrial sized 3D printers. In fact, they have the world's largest 3D printer dedicated for sand molds. So you can see that these guys work on a large scale. And so these are going to be high priced, big ticket items. And I do think as the economy begins to heat up again in 2021 after the pandemic, you can have companies that will be able to invest money in these large scale printers, and that's going to push the price of Voxeljet's stock up. And I do think the 3D printing sector as a whole is going to be real strong. I talked about Nano Dimensions and 3D Systems being the leader. However, Materialize NV, the other 3D printer stock I talked about, and Voxeljet should do really well, especially since this stock is approaching its 52-week high. I could definitely see if Voxeljet is able to break through $40 a share. I definitely think $45 and $50 a share is in play before the end of the year. I do think the overall market's going to be really strong, and I do think this company will see a lot of orders. Now, the one thing I do like about Voxeljet is that their 3D printing systems can basically be manufactured at any scale, so they can basically create something that's very big or very small. It allows people to the companies to optimize their cost and get products to market quicker. Allows them to create faster prototypes if they need to create prototypes or molds for specific products. So there's a lot of flexibility with these Voxeljet printers, and I think that's definitely going to attract some business. Now, the company has a market cap, a really small market cap of $185 million. They did have revenue, well, it's this 2016 number of 22 million, but just to put out the point that these guys do have sales and it is a small market cap, so it doesn't take a lot to push up the price of Voxeljet. So definitely check it out, as well as check out the other 3D printing stocks like Nano Dimensions, Materialize, NV, 3D Systems, all of those. I think it's going to be a very strong year for the 3D printing sector. So Voxeljet trades on the NASDAQ on symbol VJET. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.